What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're at Sam's Hoagies. This spot is legendary, so whether you're a hoagie lover or you are just a foodie, this is definitely the spot. So today we're going to be diving into all different type of breakfast menu and sandwiches. We are going to enjoy both locations from the storefront inside of a food court, so keep it locked and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll see you inside. Who are we here with?
Nick. Yeah, the biggest highlight for sure is our home fries. Is these right here. I'm gonna make it look all nice and pretty in a bit. And then I'd probably also say the Philly steak, like our hoagies for sure. Our Philly steak is definitely our best seller. It definitely looks the best as well. You know what I mean? I know regulars come in a few times a week just for the Philly steak. So here's our home fries.
So now you take,
we add a little bit of salt and pepper, right? Paprika.
you have to put that hint of spiciness.
Yeah. I got the black pepper in there, and then we got our hot butter sauce, signature sauce right here. Put a bit of that. You gotta mix that up. So I got another breakfast coming in right now.
They have the breads on one side. Oh, look at this. He's turning the bacon. Then he takes a couple of slices of the bread and puts them inside of this toaster and toasts them. After it's finished toasting, it comes right into this catch tray. Egg, would you say you go through?
For a day, I'd say at least 3. One tray has like 36 eggs. On Saturdays, we can go through like 6.
And he's so specific with the way he places these eggs on the flat top, prepares them the right way, and he breaks the egg with such efficiency. The level of experience is there. This is just the typical breakfast menu.
Yeah. So these customers, right, these guys have been coming for years, right? Even through COVID, they've like supported us. So we really like to take care of these guys.
What is it about Sam's Hoagies that just keeps customers coming back?
It's definitely very community-based. Everyone knows my parents, everyone knows me. One of our biggest things is our environment.
You guys do breakfast and brunch?
Breakfast and like sandwich. We don't have like traditional brunch meals. We have breakfast all day and like sandwiches all day.
Customers are looking to get in touch with Sam Hoagies. What is the address?
700 Balmoral, right? And our second location is at Shoppers World.
What other platform can customers find you guys?
Make sure we are on Skip the Dishes just for now. We were with Uber Eats and DoorDash, but right now we just settle with only doing Skip the Dishes.
It's definitely the breakfast spot. It's the spot that you want to be. Make sure that you guys are here for the sandwiches, the breakfast. This is actually a different way of spreading the butter on the bread. The whole entire way?
Yeah. We start off with sandwiches. My father, he owned a sub store. He owned a Mr. Sub. He was doing that for quite a bit. Around 20 years, he had that Mr. Sub store. He get out of that business and work a different job. Same with my mother. My mother would help him out here and there. And like 10 years ago, they decided, what if we owned our own restaurant? Well, they definitely wanted to do subs because he had been doing that for 20 years.
See right here is all of where he's coming from. The expertise, experience. Having a sub, having a breakfast menu is definitely a delight when it comes on to different customers from different walks of life. You saute all the vegetables first. This is also experience that you have gathered over the years of working for your father. We're gonna look as he prepared the Philly cheesesteak. Look at how he uses a spatula, cuts up the steak really fine, covers it to contain all the heat, to make sure that all the cheese is melted, and customer enjoy the food. This is what you call cheesy goodness on a Philly cheesesteak. Customer can customize the sandwich as well too.
We actually do a lot of customized orders. My parents know that people like to be specific. There's definitely some people here who are very specific with their order, how long it's on the grill, and when to put, and the order of things that we put on.
Yeah.
Let's finish this up and cut it off.
When you're cooking it, you also make sure that the meat is still tenderized, that when the customer is eating it, they can taste the different elements of flavors inside of the sandwich.
I notice if I keep the steak on too long, it'll get dry and rubbery. Right? Put the cheese on quick and get it out quick.
How long do you leave the steak on the flat top before you take it off?
The steak is thin, so I shred it up. It's cooked in like 2-3 minutes.
A meal like this goes for $6 and it comes with a can of pop. The order is completely finished now, so it's being served. So he's making a veal sandwich with the tomato sauce. The garlic butter is the main highlight of the sandwich.
I'm gonna let that do its thing right now.
You get in the mushroom, the onion, the pepper, the sauteed onion. Takes a couple pieces, put it on top of the flat top.
So this is egg wash with buttermilk.
Put the veal inside of the buttermilk.
Yeah.
and then you take it and then you plaster it. The veal is going to be done with tomato sauce, of course the mushroom, your green peppers, and your onions. So most of the orders is pretty much similar when it comes down to the sandwiches, except for the subs.
Veal's done. All right, so that's there like that, and that's done.
So simple, yet so aromatic. Dive into the Philly cheesesteak. I want you guys to look at the layer between the cheese, the mushroom, the steak, including the green peppers. This is where all the flavors come together. Oh, and you even get to see the layer between where the garlic butter is. The whole genetic makeup of what this sandwich really comes with. You're also seeing like everything that is hanging down. The onion just coming out of it. The food is never short of experience, very authentic, and the complexity of the meal itself really comes together. It really embraces the breakfast culture. It showcases a lot more of the artwork, the dimensions of flavors, the steak, the mushroom, the green peppers, and the onion. It also contrasts everything, including the homemade sauce, the last piece of the Philly cheesesteak. Everything is still intact. We're gonna take a bite into this. Oh wow! See that big bite mark right in the side of it. What you also get to embrace is what the sandwich really brings to your taste buds. And look, we just got some fries as well. What way to bring down the Philly cheesesteak, but with some fries.
Jamendo.com. Jamendo.com.
Just to look on the customer's face that they're getting quality and freshness.
Each day it's always something new.
That's right. Chicken is cut freshly. The vegetables are cut daily. The potatoes are cut daily. What you just saw was the Philly steak hoagie back in Philadelphia, where the Italians would make their Italian paninis, which the Americans call hoagies. That's where it originated from. So there's custom sandwiches. Build it on your own. We give you a selection of sauteed mushrooms, green peppers, onions.
Yes.
What you can have is your fresh vegetables on top. The subs, we have the lettuce, tomato. We have a choice of spinach and green peppers, onions, jalapenos, hot peppers, black and green olives to go with that. Then you have to have your own sauce. You can go from barbecue to chipotle. Our customers really enjoy their sandwiches, so we've brought it on and we use them for our specialty sandwiches, which are the hoagies.
What do we have going on over here?
We've got some sauteed mushrooms, green peppers, onions. I have some hot peppers in here for whoever likes it really spicy. Tomato sauce, which we make, and chicken parmesans and eggplant parmesans.
You said that you have poutine.
That's right. We make a nice mean poutine with our vegetarian gravy.
What is your ingredient?
I can't tell you.
Love.
Love, lots of love. We also carry the halal chicken and beef.
So what is the pricing when it comes on to the special?
Well, we try to accommodate the students with their lunch meals or during the day. We do the 8-inch cold cut. We do the large poutine, hot dog, and chicken fingers with fries, and they get a pop to go with it.
Now you're preparing the chicken fingers. She puts it inside the fryer. Then you leave it for 5 minutes. Here's the home fries. Goes with the chicken tender.
Well, we have breakfast all day. That's your student special. There's the hot dog and fries, the chicken fingers and fries with the can of pop. Yeah, for $6.99.
Is all compact in this one bowl as a lunch special. Soft, your sweet, and your savory. And then she sprinkled a little salt, a little black pepper on top of it, and then she puts it with all the orders as they come. They serve breakfast, brunch, lunch, anything that you guys want. Facebook and Instagram is where they are, guys. All of their information, I'll put it in the description box. For those of you guys who are interested in checking out Sam's Hoagies, and I want to give a big shout out to the owners. Thank you guys for welcoming me, and that is it, guys. We are out. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section.